Hey, what's up, guys? So this lesson is about self-assignment. It's a pretty strange concept, but it will make more sense over time. So, like I wrote up here, car equals 5, okay? And then here's where the self-assignment comes into play. Car equals car. And then you come down here, print car, and it says 5. So here's the really weird and tricky thing. Like mathematically, it doesn't make sense, but in Python, it does make sense. But it carries a little bit different way of doing things. So I put car equals 5, and then I put down here car equals car plus 1, which is the weird part I was talking about. And then you put down here print car, so 6. So basically what happens is uh, you can have something that just increases over time. And so what Python does is it uses this self-assignment stuff to track data that changes around over time. And we'll do one more down here. Car equals 5. And then we'll do car equals car, see, plus 2. And then we'll do car equals car minus 1. And then we'll, just guess what we're going to have down here. Car 6. So as you can see what we did down here, car equals 5, car equals car plus 2, so that's 7, right? Car equals car minus 1, so 7 minus 1, 6. So it just changes over time. That's all we're doing there. And we'll do one more. We'll see how this one plays out. So let's put name equals account name. And let's put like we're doing some sort of data entry. Name equals name plus, let's put Bill. And then down here, name equals name plus, let's put Wild. And then put down here, print name. And guess what, just take a guess what we're going to have down here. And so like I said, it tracks the data. Name equals account name. Name equals name plus Bill. So basically you have this one, that's name first. And name changes to name plus name, right? So account name, this and this. And I did them opposite, as you can see, and I need a space in there too. So you can easily fix that. You can go back and put a space, and like I flipped them. So what we have here, I made a mistake, but you can go back and see name equals name plus Bill, name equals name plus Wild. So it just goes 1, 2, and 3. It just adds them all together. So um, so that's pretty much it. It just tracks the data over time. All right, thanks.